This video will show you 2 different ways on how to exit recovery mode for iPhone. Method 1. Get iPhone out of recovery mode before backing up with Hard Reboot. Step 1. Please be sure that your iPhone is still connected to computer via USB cable and your PC or Mac is running iTunes as well. Step 2. Then press and hold sleep, wake plus home buttons at the same time for about 15 seconds. Don't release them until your iPhone screen goes blank and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Step 3. Then your iPhone is supposed to restart automatically and show the lock screen after a while. At this moment, you can disconnect your iPhone to computer through the USB cable now. Thus, your iPhone should get out of recovery mode as expected. Note: force restart an iPhone, especially in recovery mode. There is a risk of some lost data. Method 2. Fix iPhone stuck in recovery mode to back up iPhone without data lost. To effectively get your iPhone out of recovery mode without data lost, it is highly recommended the iPhone Error Recovery Tool iOS System Recovery Windows Mac for you. Step 1. After downloading and installing iOS System Recovery software on your computer, please launch it and connect your iPhone to computer with a USB cable if you have not connected. Then on the main interface of the program, please click More Tools iOS System Recovery option to move on. Step 2. Then the program will automatically detect your iPhone's problems and show the possible issues of your iPhone, such as iPhone stuck in recovery mode, iPhone stuck on Apple logo, iPhone blue screen of death, or other iPhone. Then please click Start button to move on. Step 3. Later, you are required to confirm your iPhone information. Check the information and click Repair button if it is right. If not, please select the right ones and hit Repair button to start fixing the issue of iPhone stuck in recovery mode. To fix the problem, the recovery mode will detect your iPhone's current iOS version and upgrade it to the latest software.